Hi everyone, welcome to eLearning Trainer channel. In lesson 2, we have discussed how to organize an instant meetings with Zoom Cloud meetings. In lesson 3, we will discuss how to schedule a meeting as a host. To schedule a meeting, you need to sign in by visiting zoom.us. Input credentials and sign in. After sign in, you can find out all the options. On left side, you can have personal options, that is profile, meetings, webinar, recordings and settings. You need to click on meetings and then schedule a new meeting. Once you click on schedule a new meeting, you can have a form to fill up all the related informations like topic, description. Schedule a meeting means you want to schedule your lecture before time and you want to share the link with your students, and your students understand and they know what time they have the class and they can log in. Enter the topic and description related to topic and which date and time you want to schedule. Select the date and time and duration. Remember, in free version you can have only 40 minutes limit, so you can select 40 minutes. Because your basic plan restricts you for maximum 40 minutes limit. You can select the time zone and you can have a schedule of recurring meetings. If you want to repeat the same lecture on specific days or dates, you can do it. Meeting ID. Generate automatically or personal meeting ID. If you want to carry on the static meeting ID every time, you can do it, or you want to generate automatically every time a new ID, you can go ahead with this one. You can opt any of the option. For security, you can set your passcode or you can go ahead with automatically generated passcode. You can check the box for waiting room for the students if you want them to be in waiting room before start the class. The video option for the host and the participants, you can make them on and off. It's up to you. Meeting options, enable join before host, mean if you want to give them a chance to enter the room before you, or you can mute participants upon entry. If you want, you can go ahead. All the options are optional, it's up to you. Record the meetings automatically on the local computer. Must select this option if you need the recordings and then click on save. So here is your scheduled meeting. All the options you have set, all been set, and you can review them. Topic, description, time, meeting ID and security code, everything been already set. And the most important thing, that is invite link. You have the invite link. You can copy this link and you can send to your students by any mean, by WhatsApp, by email, whatever the mean you want to use, you can use them and share the link with your students. After scheduling, you can add it, you can start or you can delete this meeting. It's up to you. All the controls in your hand. So that was very easy steps to schedule a meeting. Next option is recordings. You can check that local recordings can be available if you enable them. And the second option is cloud recordings. Cloud recording means if you have the paid version, all of your recordings can be recorded online. But if you are using the basic version, you can go ahead with local recordings only. In settings, you have the control to enable or disable some of the options in meeting recordings or in telephone. You can see in recording there is one very interesting option, local recording. Host can give participants the permissions to record locally. If you check this box, it means your participants, your students can also record this on their system. Automatic recording mean it will record your all of the lectures automatically, or you can set the recording disclaimer, it's up to you. Multiple audio notification of recorded meetings, all these controls in your hand, and you can enable them or disable them, it's up to you, and you can use them as per your requirement. In telephone, show international numbers link on the invitation email means if someone want to join the meeting using their telephone line, you can enable this option as well if you want. You can enable mask phone number in the participant list. This will give you a privacy and the phone numbers would not be shown completely in the participant list, so no one can copy this one. In the meeting options, there are different options available. You can make them enable or disable. The next one is some admin control with user management, room management, and these options mostly belongs to the paid version account. If you have the paid version account, you can use all these features with admin controls. That's all for schedule a meeting. If you click on meetings, you can find out your scheduled meeting, and on right side you can click on start button to start a meeting. And hope you understand, and if you have any query, please do send us in the comment and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.